What's in a grade? What does a grade tell us? And what should it tell us? This video will explore a different grading system used by innovative schools to give students more useful feedback and better prepare them for success both in school and after graduation. When a student receives a C in a course, what does it tell us about them? That they are an average student? Is their grade a result of mastering the course content but not doing enough of the weekly assignments? Or did they do all the work, but they really struggled to understand the course materials? Maybe the content didn't interest them and they were just bored. When you think about it, traditional grades aren't very informative or helpful with promoting student growth. Taking it a step further, what are teachers using to come up with a final grade for a student anyway? Beyond school, employers look for things like speaking skills, writing skills, creative thinking, and being able to work well with others. What does a report card full of course grades tell a recruiter about all that? What if a student's report card measured critical college and career skills instead? Instead of categories like homework, tests, and papers, students could be assessed in categories like written communication, oral communication, critical thinking, collaboration, and agency. This feedback would focus the students' attention on the things that mattered most, helping students grow and change as learners. Imagine if your grade in a course was broken down like this. Notice how easy it is to see which skills are well developed and which ones might need more time and attention? I bet if you thought about it, you could come up with ways to practice those skills inside and outside of the classroom. That's because they are life skills and they can be applied almost everywhere. To achieve this grade breakdown for students, teachers need to use a different grading system called multi-outcome scoring. In a multi-outcome scoring gradebook, students can receive multiple grades instead of just one on the same assignment. For example, a research paper might get one grade for content mastery and another grade for written communication. Because each skill is scored separately, students can easily see how the assignment impacts each skill grade. And over time, a student's overall grade will highlight their strengths and weaknesses as a learner and where to focus their energy for improvement. The outside world isn't quite ready for this type of grading. It needs traditional grades to calculate things like GPAs and determine athletics eligibilities. Using a multi-outcome scoring gradebook, teachers can weigh and evaluate students on critical skills for success beyond the classroom and still produce a traditional letter grade for that transcript. If your school is using a multi-outcome scoring gradebook, you will hear about it more from the school leaders and teachers in the weeks and months to come. We think once you get used to it, you'll wonder why we didn't always do it this way.